When it comes to the buzz cut hairstyle, most men get it wrong. At first, it seems like a good idea, but then you get a buzz cut, look in the mirror, and realize you've made a big mistake. That's because there's a subtle art to cutting a buzz cut. If you want to know how to do it, this hairstyle can make you look like a completely different person, for better or worse. Watch the buzz cut guide to see if it's really the right haircut for you, and keep watching until the end. A uniform buzz cut generally looks super short everywhere, but with slightly longer hair on top, providing much nicer contrast. You need to determine whether a buzz cut really suits your face. You must remember that this haircut will make all your facial features more pronounced. If you have a nice jawline, it'll stand out. If you have a large nose, it'll look much bigger. Also, it's important to understand that this style will really round out your face. So if you have a chubby face, it can make your face look even heavier. You need to consider all this before getting a buzz cut. If you have thicker, dark eyebrows, this style might be perfect for you. There are also some features that look great with a buzz cut, really enhancing your buzzed look. Buzz cuts might not suit every type of beard. They tend to look better with a small, neatly trimmed goatee and a clean, well-groomed face. As mentioned in our video about aesthetic beards, it's all about contrast. A buzz cut is a super clean hairstyle, so leaving a little stubble, whether it's a thin mustache or goatee, can be ideal when paired with a buzz cut. One of the issues with the buzz cut is that it might not be very exciting. After all, having a nice hairstyle was supposed to be one of the ways to stand out aesthetically. However, you might also consider that a buzz cut enhances everything else about you. For example, if you wear diamond earrings, they'll stand out and look much cooler, just like any other jewelry, tattoos, or other accessories. The buzz cut will enhance everything else about you, especially in terms of accessories. The most important tip if you're getting a buzz cut is that the rest of you doesn't have to be boring. Many of you might hate this hairstyle, but if you apply it correctly to suit your face type, you can certainly look attractive and stylish. To achieve this, you need to have the right vibe and aesthetic. Otherwise, you might look like a clown. Keep in mind that this can be a radically applied choice if you really want to stand out and be different and interesting. I hope you enjoyed our video on how to do a buzz cut. Be sure to subscribe for much more, and see you next time.